Keurig coffee maker's troubleshooting machine won't turn on. Is your Keurig coffee maker giving you trouble? Specifically, does it refuse to turn on? This issue can be frustrating, especially when you need that morning coffee fix. Let's troubleshoot this problem step by step to get your machine back up and running. Power source. Check first. Ensure your Keurig is properly plugged in. Check the power cord for any visible damage. Confirm the outlet is functioning by plugging in another device. If the outlet is faulty, try a different one. Resetting the machine. If your Keurig still won't turn on, try resetting it. Unplug the machine and leave it unplugged for at least 30 seconds. Plug it back in and try turning it on again. This simple reset can often resolve the issue. Still having trouble? Here are some additional steps to consider. Check the power button. Ensure it's not stuck. Inspect the internal components. Look for any signs of damage or loose wires. Refer to the user manual. Follow any specific troubleshooting steps provided. If these steps do not solve the problem, it might be time. It might be time to contact Keurig customer support. They can provide further assistance and help diagnose any deeper issues. If you want to know more details, then you can visit this site https://hellotroubleshooting.com/.